Wait, that's them. Hi, guys! Yay!
Bye, Sammy.
Bye, guys!
Wala kang nakalimutan?
Wala, ata.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Ngayong hapon, susundin ko yung anak ko sa school, sa St. Mary's Catholic School sa Odmeta, Dubai. Usually umuwi siya sakay ng school bus, pero ngayon meron silang after school activity, so they have to stay. So samahan niyo ako guys. Let's go. Ilang araw na makulimlim yung panahon. Siguro uulan. Malapit na rin kasi magbago yung weather dito sa Dubai. Patatapos na yung winter or yung taglamig, magsa-summer na uli. Usually pag nagbabago yung panahon from taglamig to tag-init or tag-init to taglamig, lagi yan umuulan. Minsan meron din ng hail. So let's see. So now, andito na tayo sa Al Garhoud Bridge. May madadaanan tayong toll gate. Toll gate nga pala dito is 4 dirhams dati, pero ngayon 6 dirhams na. So after this Al Garhoud Bridge, kakanan tayo sa Riyadh Street. Then from there, malapit na yung St. Mary's. So guys, andito na tayo sa Old Meta. Andito na yung St. Mary's Church and St. Mary's Catholic High School. Ayan, ito yung gate and parking area ng St. Mary's Church, fronting Old Meta Street. Ang parking nga pala dito is 4 dirhams per hour kasi nasa main location to, main highway. So lilipat tayo sa parking dito sa right side, kasi dito sa right side 2 dirhams lang ang parking per hour. Nagmamadali mga sasakyan. Okay, so magte-turn right tayo dito. Ayan, nandito tayo sa right wing ng St. Mary's Church. Maraming parking dito. So dito ko naantayin lumabas yung anak ko. Ito yung St. Mary's Church, at yung building sa dulo, yun yung St. Mary's Catholic High School. So park muna tayo dito. Yes. Oh, ang baby ko. Dalaga na. Bless. Okay.
We keep doing like this,
The dance steps.
Yeah, and you know someone's getting married right now.
Yeah, I saw them.
You went
One is Filipina, one is not a Filipina. On the left side, on the right side.
How did you know?
I went inside.
Oh, why do you go in church?
I went to the church and pray.
Wow.
I prayed for you.
I'm so proud.
Napagod ka?
Wait, that's them. Hi, guys!
You have so many classmates na lahat sila din?
Yeah.
I think they're...
Josine, you look like Moses. You're like leading them into the Red Sea. Yay!
Bye, Sammy.
Bye, guys!
Wala kang nakalimutan?
Wala, ata.
Are you tired? You want to go to Wafi and check if there's a Filipiniana? Or you're just so tired already?
We can go. I also want to eat kasi. Guys, yeah, I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yeah, no. I'm so tired talaga.
So, we'll go to Wafi?
Okay.
Did you get the dance steps?
Yeah, pero we weren't able to do Celos. I mean, like, maybe if we did till 5 p.m. but that's too late, then we could have,
Why Celos?
because we want to do budot.
Magbubudot steps kayo?
Yeah, kasi, it's gonna be itik-itik and then Celos.
Tik-itik and Celos?
Na.
I just check on maps. Where do we go? Wafi Mall. Wafi.
My legs are literally like dying. Oh my gosh.
You can still walk?
Yeah. I just need to sit down.
Okay.
Let's take D81 Al Riyadh Street Harar 2 and Al Medina Al Tebia Street Healthcare City. In 100 meters. Stay to the right.
Stay to the right. Sabi ni Mami meron daw dun sa Wafi Mall na
Filipiniana?
Yeah? Did she tell you?
Can we see it?
In 500
We'll check.
meters. Stay to the right to D74 Al Ittihad Street.
Oh yeah. Did it rain?
I think it will.
Ganda naman basta ang iyong mga mata. Wait, Daddy, do you have the panglinis ng eyeglass ko? Kasi, look.
I think I have.
Okay. Tapos look, oh.
Yeah.
It's like covering my entire field of vision. Bakit tayo bumaba? Bumababa pala ang tala. Tumingin ka sa
Aking mga mata. I know that song. Where are your classmates now?
They're over there.
They will ride the metro train?
Yeah, together.
Stay to the right.
Oh, it's fun.
At kung sino'y magtiwala ka, hawakan ang usap na niwala na ikaw lang ang siyang inibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin. Sa'yo, nilalambing ako ay nahulog din. Di ko alam kung anong gagawin. Di ko alam kung saan titingin. Halik sa lating tingin natin. Akalain mahulog ka sa akin. Tumingin ka sa aking mga mata at hindi mo na kailangan pang magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang iibig. At kung
Memorize mo yung song na yan?
I think so. Hawakan ang pusong maniwala na ikaw lang ang siyang umibig. Ikaw lang ang iibigin. Sinta. ikaw lang ang iibig. At kung nasigo'y magtiwala ka, hawakin ang puso't maniwala na ikaw lang siyang umibig. Ikaw lang ang iibig. Na 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 na
Na na na na na na na.
na na na.
Sinta. I thought it's selos.
It is.
Sabi niya, Sinta. Hindi.
Go get.
Dapat, selos. Tawa naman dyan.
Roundabout, take the first exit on Al Medina Altavia Street. In 800 meters, make a U-turn on Al Medina Altavia Street.
들어갔대 내겐 사귀대 I tried for your story I'm saying
In 300 meters, make a U-turn. Make a U-turn on Alameda Altavia Street. In 200 meters, turn right. Then at the roundabout, hit the second exit. Turn right. Then at the roundabout, take the second exit. At the roundabout, take the second exit. In 100 meters, we will arrive at Washington Mall.
One, two, three, four, five. Okay.
You've arrived at your destination. Use the left lane to stay to the left. In 100 meters, at the roundabout, take the fourth exit. At the roundabout, take the fourth exit.
Where are we going?
Hmm?
No parking?
No. We'll find another one. Pilipino ba yan?
Meters.
Opo.
You arrived. Destination will be on your left. You arrived. Destination is on your left. Turn right on Al Razi Street. In 400 meters, use the right lane to stay to the right to in direction of D75 Sheikh Rashid Street.
One to 10, what's your gutom?
Like, 7.
Oh! Is your chair too close?
Okay na? Nakaalabas na kayo?
Oh, nasa labas na kami. On the way na kami sa McDo.
Sige.
Yung McDong malapit dito, alam mo yun, di ba?
Saan?
Yung sa may Odmeta din, yung dinadaanan papuntang Algarahod din yun. Yun dito,
Oh, sige.
yung kinainan natin dati.
O, bilisan nyo na lang para hindi na ba kayo,
Okay.
magabihan, ha?
Asa ka na?
Dito, punta kami nila sa, Patuta at maghahanap.
Ah, magpapadrop by ka doon?
Oo, syempre, sasama siya. Saan paano kung uwi?
Okay.
Okay. O, sige. Ingatan mo, daddy, ha?
Oo.
Okay, bye-bye. Asan na?
At narinig ka niya, naka-speaker ka.
Okay, anak, rest ka muna, ha? Nakabili ka ba ng tsinelas?
Oo, sa Mumuso.
Komportable na ang kampa mo?
Opo.
Okay, good. Bye-bye.
In 200 meters, use the middle two lanes to continue straight to in direction of D75 West, Sheikh Rashid Street. Then stay to the right. Continue straight. Then use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right to in direction of D75 West, Sheikh Rashid Street. Use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right to in direction of D75 West, Sheikh Rashid Street. Then exit right. Exit right. Then stay to the right. Stay to the right. In 100 meters, you'll arrive at McDonald's. Your destination will be on your left.
Sorry. We're here.